Hi children,
okay, so our flowers are ready. So you can make any flower in a quantity,
most important part
and
is
you can decorate the Ganpati Bappa ka makhar decoration.
We can decorate that makhar with the help of different flowers. We are going to learn some types of flower, how we can make, and then you can place it on your wall. You can hang on the dupattas or curtains, or behind you can use one sari and you can paste or hang all these flowers. So we will learn some flowers and leaves today, and in quantity you will make, and you can do the fantastic decoration for Ganesh Festival. So let's start.
For this flower making activity, we need any type of kite papers and tinted paper. Then pencil, stapler, Fevicol, scissors and thread. Plate. Children, we are going to make quilling rows, but always we are making in a small size. Now we will make in a big size. So now I draw this circle with the help of plate. Then children, only I am going to draw a spiral inside like this. If you want bigger flower than this, you can make big circle. If you want small flower, you can make small circle. Now children, we are going to cut this circle and then cut this spiral. After cutting this circle, I am going to cut this spiral. I cut this spiral. I kept a little bit this small circle here. Okay, now I am going to quill it properly with the help of fingertips. And I am going to roll it till the end. Okay, after when I will come till end, so I am going to apply little Fevicol and I am going to keep this flower on it. Now I pasted this flower. Then I have taken this square paper of the green color. Then I fold it like this and again in the middle. And now I am going to draw leaves. First I will draw this line and then zigzag leaf. Then I will cut it. After cutting this, I am going to open this. So we are getting 4 leaves like this. Then we can apply glue over here. And children, if you are having you can use glue gun also, it will fix fast. Like this we can make many flowers. Means for the decoration you have to make 20-30 flowers like this, and then decorate your Ganpati Bappa ka makhar with the help of it. We are going to see how to make kite paper flower. Children, it is one kite paper of dark color and I have taken this color as a light color. Okay, now I am going to cut this paper in 4 equal parts. Okay, now children, I am going to cut this paper in 8 equal parts like this. So small paper we are going to get. Children, I took this 4 small papers and 4 big paper. Now children, I am going to keep it properly in the middle of this paper and then I am going to fold it. First you have to make a fold, children, so you can do fan fold properly. Children, I am going to open this fold and then we are going to give fan fold to it. Okay, like this fan fold. We all know how to do fan fold, right? Yes. So fan fold is ready. Now in the middle we are going to give one fold and we are going to tie one rubber band or thread here. Now children, we are going to give cut here. We can give like this circle or petal shape. Any shape you can give over here, and we are going to cut this extra axis. So children, first this inner fold I take out from that pink color paper and I gave a cut like a circle, semicircle here, and I am going to give same cut this side also. Okay children, after this cut, we are going to open this flower. Okay children, this flower is, and this paper is very delicate, so very softly you have to open. One petal, means here we used 4 paper and here we used 4 paper. So one paper we are going to take out from it. I am going to give the effect of flower. Children, you have to open each and every paper, so it will look like a flower. So our one side is ready. Now I am going to take out the another side paper. Now children, you can make multicolor flowers. You can take any combination. You have to make 10 to 15 flowers. It will take hardly 1 hour to then arrange it on your wall or on your curtains. Start our third flower. Now this next flower, I have taken this big strip. I cut this strip in 2 equal parts. Yes, now I am going to give a very fine fan fold to it. Now after doing fan folds, what we are going to do, we are going to fold in the middle and then staple it. Okay, after stapling, we will use this Fevicol and join this end here, and then we are going to join this another flower to this flower. After sticking this, I am having such a type of golden paper at home. Children, if you are not having, you can use yellow color paper also. Then I gave a fold like this, triangular fold, and then again I fold it like this, closed side in my left hand and open side in my right hand, and we are going to cut from the open side, not from the closed side. Okay, so first I will cut like this, and then we will cut like this from this side. Now we will open this flower. Wow, lovely it is looking, children. Now we are going to apply glue. See, we are going to stick over here. We are going to apply glue. After applying glue, I am going to stick it here. Okay children, so you can make like this multicolor flowers in any size, big size, small size, and you can arrange on the wall, even on the curtain. If you want to arrange on the wall, we can use both sided tape. If you want to decorate your curtain, what we can do, we can make a hole here, insert one pin and hang to the curtain. Okay, so this flower is also ready. Now children, I have taken this 2 20 cm by 30 cm rectangle papers. Now first children, we are going to fold it in the middle. Okay, and then we will make 3 parts of it. Okay, after it we are going to do fan fold. We are going to give fan fold here. After it we are going to fold it in the middle, children, like this. Okay, and then we will draw one petal shape here. Then we will give a cut to it. Then this folded side we are going to keep up. Draw once again. And then cut it. Like this, both the paper I am going to do. Now children, I am ready with my both the folds. Here I am going to apply glue and press it properly, and here too I am going to apply glue and press it properly. Now our two parts are ready. Here I am using stapler to fix it properly, and here too. Now children, see, sunflower type flower is ready. After sticking this, I made one small circle of red color because I am not having brown color children at home. Okay, and then I am going to apply glue over here, and then I am going to paste it properly here. I am not having brown color at home children, so I am using rye over here. Children, it is looking like a sunflower. You can make small, big size flowers and you can do decoration. Okay children, now we are going to learn our last flower. We need 8 squares for it. Okay, so I have taken this red color. If you want, you can change the color also. For that I am going to fold it in the middle. Fold properly children. Foldings are very important when we are making any type of craft. Right, now again I fold it. So children, it is a open side, it is a closed side, and always we are giving cut on open side. Okay, now we are going to draw one circle here. It is a semicircle like our finger, and we are going to give a cut. Okay children, so it is our 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 part flower. Okay, like this I am going to make 8 petals of it. First I took this 4 petals. Now I am going to open all the squares. Okay, so we got a flower petal here. In first petal we are going to give the cut to this first part. Means we are going to remove this one part, so 7 parts are here. In another one I am going to remove 6 parts and 2 parts here. Next one 5 parts, 3 parts here, and in the last one four parts and 4 parts here. Okay, and in one flower give the cut. Okay, now children, what we are going to do, first I am going to apply the glue over here and going to stick this leaf on it. Okay, like this. After sticking this, we will take this 7 part flower. We are going to apply on one part and we are going to stick like this. Okay children, then we will take this 5 part flower. We are going to apply glue like this and keep it like this. So it's a next flower. Then this 3 part flower, what we are going to do, stick here one part, and then like this we have to stick here like this. Then at the end we are going to stick this 2 part ka flower like this, and then here last one like this. We will take a fold and do like this. Okay, so I am going to give a cut here each and every part. So after giving cut to each and every petals downside, little bit cut only I have given. Okay, then I am going to paste here. It is our 8 petal ka flower. I gave a cut, we got 7 petals. It is our 7 petal flower. Now I am going to arrange it properly. So now children, see, it is our different type of rose flower is ready and it is looking very nice. We can make in a big size, even we can make in a small size also. Okay, so now let's see how to make the leaves. First I folded this in a middle and I made one petal shape. Okay, so it will look like a leaf. Okay children, and now see, I am going to give a slant fold like this, slant fold, and it should be fan fold like this, fan fold of slant. Okay, so now our leaf is ready. See, one type of leaf we are learning. See, our leaf is ready. To see how to make another leaf, for that we need square paper. Okay, now children, see, fold like this. Again fold in the middle, how we are folding always. And then open it and give a fan fold properly. So after folding in a diagonal, we are going to apply little glue here and we will stick like this. So we will get a different type of leaf. Okay children, this type of leaf we can get. So children, now next leaf, I took a square and then I am going to cut it in a middle. Okay, then we are going to do fan fold like this. Okay, and then we will apply glue here and stick this end to this side. So we will get another style leaf. For big flowers, we can make big leaves also children. For that you can draw any type of drawing of leaf and then cut it. Okay, so I folded it and then one side I drew and another side I am cutting. So children, after cutting this, we can open this. Yes, so such a type of leaves you can make in a big size. Okay children, so you can use all these flowers and leaves and you can make a fantastic decoration for our Ganpati Bappa. So let's see what we made today. We made this flower with the help of kite paper. Then it is a normal rose. It's called a quilling rose. Then it is a sunflower. Okay, so it is a different type of flower. So we can combine it also and we can differentially, we can make a typical one type and we can do the decoration, and it is a different type of flower. And children, it is a rose. It is looking very nice.